Welcome back to Grump's Barn, where today we're hopefully finishing off this bloody Defender. Hopefully. Right. Sorry about the sun. It's uncharacteristic for around here, but there you go. As you can see, we now have new spill pipes on. There we go. All replaced. The middle one was a bit iffy too. There's no point in doing just one or two of them. You might just do the whole bloody lot. And that pipe is obviously fuel grade pipe with 3.2mm internal diameter. It's a nice tight fit on there. So that is done. Now I've just started on this lovely Propshaft. And I'm at the crap stage. The bit I really hate. First job is to get these circlips out. I've got one out so far. That one's just soaking with a bit of WD just to give it a chance to move. Right. Let's see if we can get this moving. Get it pulled out. There we go, one circlip out, and there's proof that they haven't been in there that bloody long. They're not all rotted in. Quite amazing, really. And we have to fight these damn things for hours to get them out. There again, I'm speaking too soon. I've still got 2 more to go. Well, that one put up more of a fight. Fucking thing. Oh yes, and apologies for the last video. I know there's nowhere near enough swearing in that. I promised swearing, and all there was one fucking 2 arses. I mean, come on. I do apologise. I'll make sure that never fucking happens again. There you go. That's enough to keep me going. On to the last one of these. Right, yeah, one of them was a little fucker, as ever. There's one still stuck in there, in bits. I'll get that out in a minute. First, I'm going to disconnect the damn thing. So I have a 17mm socket sitting in here, which will push this end in. Now I've got, I don't know what that one is. Bigger than a 27. Probably near a 30, something like that. Just so this side can push out into something. So I'm pushing it through slightly to get it started. And I should carry on pushing it until it stops wanting to move. There you go. That side, as you can see, is pushed right in. This side is coming out. I should now try and grab hold of that with some mole grips or similar. Give it a twist and pull it out. If not, it might need a bit more squeezing first. Now, with the crappiest pair of mole grips in the world, you pull off the cap. Lovely. Then with a little bit of waggling, the rest of it all comes out. I managed to break that other one when I was doing it, but it doesn't matter. It'll go in the bin anyway. Oh, bloody lot. Right. So now we're left with this, which I shall then do the same to get out these other caps. But first, I'm going to push this cap down. So it's away from that circlip. I should be able to get the circlip out. Ready to pick it out, hopefully. Well, I can safely say that was the most knackered one. There's nothing in there. No signs of grease. Anything. There should be some pins in there somewhere, the rollers. The bearing, but I can't see any. There's got to be some somewhere. Oh dear. Yep, not a sign of any needle rollers. They all disappeared. Fucking hell. Knackered much. Well, there we go. That's one spider. Completely useless now. I'll give this a quick clean up and wipe out. Now I've got to see if I can find the marks I made on everything. Oh yeah, there we go. So I put a couple of pop marks in there. And I've done the same on the other yoke. Down there. I forgot to say that. Yeah, you need to put those, mark them up so they go back together the same way they came out. Because they're balanced one particular way when they're made. If you put them in back to front, you can stick them out of balance. You can end up with lovely vibrations in your drivetrain. Alright, let's give these a wipe down. Once I've found some brake cleaner, then put the new one in. There's the final clip coming out. Because it had nothing to push on anymore. It wasn't particularly tight. There was a bit of waggling, it came free. Another one done. Let's finish cleaning up these holes. Putting a new one in is quite easy. Compared to getting the old one apart. All I'm going to do is take the ends off, the end caps off this spider. Slot it into there and into the other side, and then push the end caps in from the outsides. And clip it up. Very hard to do one-handed. Hang on, I'll see what I can. There you go, the end caps are sitting there. Make sure when you take your end caps off, they just slide off. So they've got grease wheel in there holding those little needle roller bearings in place. Otherwise you're going to have great fun when you try and fit this. So slide that in there. Waggle it around and get the other one in. Can't do it one-handed. There we go. It's very easy to do, it's just that one-handed it makes it very awkward. Then you put your caps on the end, push that in very gently, and slide this into it. Again, can't do it one-handed. Real pain. And then once you've got that one in, do the other side. Now, when you've made sure your spider head, this bit in the middle, cross bit, is sitting inside both these end caps properly, you should be able to move it a little bit backwards and forwards without a problem. Then stick her in the vise and very gently press it too. There should be absolutely nothing stopping this going. If you feel any form of resistance, stop. Because it means one of your needle rollers has fallen out of place. And you'll need to take your caps back out again, re-grease it and make sure those needle rollers are sitting exactly where they should be, firmly in. Right, I'm going to squeeze this up. There we go, that's gone in nice and easily. As you can see, everything's moving really easily. And I can move this backwards and forwards slightly. Everything is sitting as it should. Next job then will be to press these in further until you've got enough space you can see your circlip groove. Now I've pushed that just past, but it doesn't matter. It's not going to do any damage. Everything's sitting in here nicely. Because you're only pushing one side in, the other side should be flat against the side of the vise, as you can see. So I shall get the circlip in here, excuse me, and then I shall start pushing on this side. Again, do it all gently. Do not over tighten anything or you will end up cracking things and you'll have to buy a new UJ. There we go, one down, and drop the others in now. Well, push the other side in, then drop the circlip in that side. That's it, both clipped in now. Just make sure once it's all clipped up that it all moves nice and smoothly and easily. I've just checked this and there we go. See, nice and smooth and easy. No binding, nothing. That's exactly as it should be. Now I'm going to have to search around for a bit because one of my circlips just went ping. Great. As the light's fading. Oh, wonderful. Fucking hell. Bloody hell. Somebody up there does like me. Took a bit of searching before it pinged down behind the door there amongst a load of crap. I had to put the lights on mine so I could find the damn thing. Oh good, I can now get it finished. I ain't gonna let that one out of my sight again. There we are, all done, all moving nice and smoothly and easily. Ready to go back on the car, which I'm going to be doing in a second. Right, that's going to be that for now. I'm just going to put that back on. I'm not filming that. Pointless. Bugger to do anyway. It's only four nuts and bolts. Put it back on. Right, that's me done for now. We'll whack this back on. I'll have a working motor again. All I've got left to do is change the oil, and I can't be asked to do it today, so fuck it. Oh dear. Anyway, thanks for watching, people, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.